Yes, family, we are live on Revolutionary Camp, and we are here at Avery Botanic Gardens, and we're taking a nice stroll around the gardens. And we got Sister Assassin, Carmilla, Ricky, and the rest of the crew just enjoying it. The sun never stops shining.
Loving the Empresses.
It's loving us too because look, it's reciprocal.
And one thing you notice, everybody got a device in their hands. We're in the 21st century digital age.
I like this. This looks like an ad.
And this is a beautiful Saturday, and during the Saturdays here at Botanical Gardens, you have a lot of different things going on. Celebrations, weddings, gatherings, fairs, parties. I mean, it's just a nice social, family-filled, fun energy. Culture, history. Yeah, tour members playing soccer with the local children. You know you want to go play, join them. And that's where the rest of our group is, getting a nice tour around the Botanic Gardens. Your son says he's going to join the team and go play with Ray. So greetings, my brother Michael. You're looking well. How are you?
What's up?
You ready for another wonderful journey of a lifetime? And it just got started. So
All day long.
absolutely, we want to appreciate your energy and really appreciate you bringing your family. I've never had a family of 5. That's impressive.
Well, we got more to come.
Our brother, appreciate it, man. We're gonna keep stepping it up and make sure you have a great journey.
Yes, yes. Seattle and Texas. Be ready.
Oh yeah, family in Texas.
Yes.
A lot of
Be ready for us, guys.
big Texas.
Yes.
I love it, brother. We're looking forward to receiving your folks and taking care of them. All right, appreciate your energy.
Peace and love.
And we are gonna creep over here. And as you can see by the background, this is a very big Botanic Gardens. And we're gonna zoom in on the shirt.
It's a little sweaty right now, but
Man, they're this family.
hold on. Well, get it back to the one.
All mixing with sweat and everything. I love it.
All that.
So you're gonna also get some exercise because we're gonna be doing some walking,
But it's tropical sweat.
tropical sweat.
Like the flowers that comes up. Yes, I see some. Come over here. We'll see. Yes. You come over.